Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your password of Bingo Blitz account. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to change it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Bingo Blitz app. Once you're inside the app, you'll see this kind of interface. In this screen, you will see two options, New Player and Played Before. If you already have an account, you need to choose this Played Before option, so tap on it. Now you need to select the same methods that you used to create your account before. If you created your account with Facebook, you need to select Facebook. If you created your account with email, you can select this email option. So you need to keep in mind that if you want to change your password of account that you created with your Facebook, you need to change the password of your Facebook account. If you want to change your password of your account which you created with your email, then tap on this email option. It will prompt you to choose the email address or your phone number that you used before. So select accordingly. I created my account with email before, so I'll select this email option. Now over here you can see this forget password option. You can change the password of your account by selecting this option. So tap on it. Now tap on this email field and enter your registered email address which you used to create your account before. Once you enter your registered email address, tap on this send button and Bingo Blitz will send you the reset email on your registered email address. So you can check your email inbox and find the email from Bingo Blitz. It will contain the link to change your password. You can just click on the link and follow the process to change your password. And make sure that you change your password with something that is easy to remember and is secure. So that's it. That's how you can change your password on Bingo Blitz app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.